It's me, your girl, here again, Missy Sherifatu Bakari Joe. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, I just want to say thank you very much. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here and you've not subscribed, don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. Yes, guys. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to bake toast bread. Come with me, let's bake. Here are the ingredients you will need to make your toast bread. Here I have 1 kilogram of flour, 600 grams of water, 55 grams of powdered milk, 20 grams of fresh yeast, 10 grams of butter, and 17 grams of salt. Yeah, it's just toast bread without sugar. Let's get baking. Put in your yeast under. Okay. Powdered milk. Now we're going to knead this dough in total of 6 minutes. First on a low speed 2 minutes, and then later on a fast speed 4 minutes. So we start 2 minutes. Okay guys, now we'll put it on a high speed for 4 minutes. Our dough is ready. Okay, you can see, stretch it, just put this here. We'll leave this for 20 minutes. Yeah, so in the meantime, while you're waiting for your bread to rise for 20 minutes, you're going to grease this pan with a very little amount of butter. You can see I'm just brushing it, not too much. After 20 minutes, we're going to remove some hair. Okay, we're leaving this again for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to cut out our dough for shaping. 920 grams for big bread. Okay. So now we make a ball. So we'll leave this for 5 minutes. Our dough is ready for shaping. Normally for toast bread, you have this bread pan with a cover on it that gives it this rectangular shape. But I don't have that, so I'm going to use this. So it's not really going to be that rectangular shape. Not bad also. You press this out, the hair. If you have the other bread pan with a cover on it, that will be fine to give it that nice look or nice shape. Right. So you can see my pan slightly greased. Yep. And then take a shape bread and you put it inside. Now we're going to leave this to rise for 50 to 70 minutes. In the meantime, you preheat your oven 240 degrees. Our bread is freezing. you can see, wow, this is beautiful. Looks really beautiful. Now we're going to bake this 45 to 50 minutes, but we are not going to steam our oven. Okay. Oops. Alright guys, our bread is ready. So, put off the oven. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Wow. This looks good, guys. Just take a look at. Whoa. We're going to leave this to cool off completely, and we come back, like you all know, to munch. Okay, we'll leave this to cool off completely, then we come back. Take a look at this, guys. Nicely baked, fresh. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, please leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and don't forget also to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.